doesn't work yet. Wait, don't try it out again. It doesn't work. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. I mean, it's moving. It's moving. Wait, what? Let's try it again. It's working. Oh, on the edges, produce more electricity. So if you rub the balloon on your hair, it will make static electricity.